In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Manychat for WhatsApp in 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to streamline your business communications or enhance customer engagement, setting up Manychat for WhatsApp can be a game changer. So let's dive right in. First things first, head over to the Manychat website. You can simply type Manychat into your browser's search bar and it should be the first result that pops up. Once you've arrived at the site, you'll notice a green button that says Sign In. Give that a click. If you don't have an account yet, this is also where you would find an option to sign up. However, if you're returning, enter your credentials and proceed to log in. Now that you're signed into your Manychat account, you will land on the Manychat homepage. This is your dashboard where all the magic happens. From here, navigate your way to the Home tab. It might sound a bit repetitive, but this Home tab is where you'll find various options and settings for managing your Manychat account. Next, you'll want to look for the Settings option. It's typically located in the navigation menu on the left-hand side of your screen. Click on that to open up a host of configuration options. This will direct you to a page where you can manage different aspects of your Manychat experience. Within the settings page, you want to zero in on a tab labeled Channels. Selecting it will show you a list of the communication channels you can connect with Manychat. Of course, for today, our focus is on integrating WhatsApp. So when you see the channels section, look for the WhatsApp option. Once you've located the WhatsApp channel, simply click on it. This section is designed to help you establish a connection between Manychat and your WhatsApp account. You'll notice a button labeled Connect. Clicking on this button will start the process of linking your WhatsApp account to Manychat. And there you have it. You've just set up Manychat to work with WhatsApp. This integration allows you to leverage Manychat's powerful marketing automation tools with one of the most popular messaging platforms. Your next steps could involve customizing your automated messages, setting up FAQ bots, or exploring other marketing strategies within Manychat. Thanks for joining me in this quick tutorial on integrating Manychat with WhatsApp. Implementing these steps can significantly enhance your communication strategy. If you found this guide useful, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more tips and tricks. See you in the next one.